Hi, I'm Melissa Case from Hat to Hem. These are my commissions that are looming over me, and today I have some good news and some bad news. The bad news is I am not uploading the next American Duchess beauty book review video this week, but the reason for that is because of the good news, and that is COVID. COVID? COVID. Some of you may already know what COVID is, but for those of you who don't, it's a weekend-long event that's going to be hosted by the costumers. All this started because many people were feeling the loss of costume college this year, and they wish to fill the void. There will be over 140 videos getting posted between this upcoming Thursday and Sunday. And there's going to be a whole range of topics. We're talking from hand sewing 101 and how to get started in historical costuming, to careers in dress history and plannering, sewing for chaotic minds, to inclusion in the costuming community and disability in costuming, and there's just so much that they're going to be offering. And there's going to be virtual events over on Instagram, like a virtual tea party and a virtual fashion show. Side note, the Welsh Viking has a video called Legs, Bums, and Tums, and it's about men's silhouette from 1000 to 1500. I have absolutely nothing to do with menswear at all, but that title is just almost too good to resist. There are going to be videos and live streams and panels all on subjects like pattern making and lace making and wig styling and photography, history bounding, and so much more. I posted a full schedule down in my description, so please check it out because I am sure you're going to find at least one video that will catch your fancy. Oh, and let me know in the comments if there's any particular video you're interested in checking out. I gotta say, the Reading the Period Costuming Tips from Period Literature video with Liz Capism is calling to my not-so-inner bookworm. I'm getting absolutely nothing done next weekend. I'm planning on participating in COVID by just soaking in as many videos as I can, but I will not be hosting any videos. It was a mix of just lack of time and lack of ideas and just a dash of imposter syndrome. I've also never actually attended costume college, so I had really no frame of reference of what is usually offered. So instead, I'm going to be joining the rest of you in seeing what all of these wonderful creators and instructors have to offer. Since COVID starts on Thursday and I usually upload my videos on Thursday, I decided to push back my video for another week. So I will see you next week with the Rouge video. In the meantime, I'm looking forward to hearing what you're looking forward to from COVID. Bye! Some of you may already know what COVID is. Now some of you may already know what COVID. Some of you may already know what COVID. Some of you may already know what COVID. Now some of you may already know what COVID. But for those who don't, it's a weekend. It's a weekend-long weekend English. How to get started in costuming. I'm planning to participate in COVID. I still don't know.